What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the soldier that appears on your Battlefield 6 profile screen. A lot of players assume this can't be changed, but you actually can switch it to any skin you already own. So let's get right into it. I'm doing this on my PC, but the steps are identical on console. First, go over to loadouts. After that, pick the class you want your profile soldier to use. I'm choosing Assault cause that's where the skin I want is located. Once you select the class, open the skin section and choose the outfit you want. You can also go into customize to browse all the skins available for that class. When you have picked the skin you want as your main one, look at the bottom left where it shows loadout. Down there, you'll notice an option that says profile. On console, press L3 to set the skin as your profile soldier. On PC, simply click the option or press I key. After you do that, the game updates your profile automatically. Now back out to your main profile screen and you'll see the soldier skin you just selected. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.